Hello, learners. So, as you can see, this is the After Effects 2023, and this is how it looks like when you open the software or the application. This is available on Windows as well as iOS. So, I'm using a Windows machine, hence, I'll be showing you the After Effects appearance on the Windows machines. The first option, if you see, it welcomes you and it says animate your composition, as well as you got two options here, which is the new team project and the open team project. Also, there is an option which is learn. Here if you go, so you get these video tutorials which you can always watch. So these are basically the videos which are available to you for watching. So if you want, so you can just go here. So if I click here, create an animate text, so this would again take me to the browser, and as I'm currently not connected to the internet, it would open the page for me. What I'll do is I'll go here and I'll say new project. This is the new project what I've got. And as you can see, this is the interface of After Effects, where this is the project panel. Along with that, it has the effect controls panel over here. And on the right, we have the composition. So it says none over here, as we do not have any sort of composition. Even on footage, this is none, as we do not have any footage over here. So what I'll do is I'll first take a composition over here. I'll say new composition, and you get two options: new composition from footage or new composition. So I'll be showing you both the differences. So I'll click here on new comp, and we get this option of composition name comp1. So I'll name this as maybe first comp, and over here you get these options of basic, which is the preset 1920 1080 25 fps with the aspect ratio of 16:9. So this is the default one which you get. Even I like to work ideally on this, as this is the full HD and it gives us a very nice resolution with full HD captured. The pixel aspect ratio is again here for the broadcasting, but I would like to go for square pixel, as that is the most ideal pixels for your aspect ratio. Frame rate, again here you can change it from here. So I would like to make this as 25, which is the default. Now this is the resolution. So how much resolution you want. So if you see this, if you want the resolution of composition in full, which is 1920 1080, it would create a cache of 7.9 MB per 8 BPC. 8 BPC means bits per channel. So on every 8 bits per channel, it would create around 7.9 MB. This is a half resolution, which is 960 540. This is the third one, 640 360. This is quarter, and this is customs. It depends upon what you want. So let me render it a full, as I have a good hardware. So this generally depends also on your hardware, what you are using. If you have a good config of your system, it would render it fast. It would give you the preview fast. And let me make the composition duration to 10 seconds. So I'll just go here as minutes, seconds. This is the hours, this is the minutes, this is the seconds, and the background color is black. So this is the composition background. You can change it from here. Generally, it's by default, it's black. Now coming to advanced and 3D render, which will be coming on a later stage. So these are the settings which are required actually for creating your composition. And once you hit OK over here, composition is created, and now you are able to see this first comp, where it is showing the metadata also, which is 1920 1080 with 10 seconds. And this is your comp. So composition is something where exactly you work. You can consider that as a work area. It depends upon what is exactly your requirement. Whether if you are making a 2K project, then the resolution will be 2048 into 1556 pixels. If you're making a half HD project, it would be 1280 by 720, and it depends on the frames as well. How many FPS, which is the frames per second, you need to choose. So I've chosen 25 to start with. Again, you get these options also. So suppose if you have made this composition of 1920 1080, and then you come to know from your colleague or the teammate that you need to change this, what you can do is right click composition settings, and you can just click here maybe 2048 by 115. This would give you output, which will be 2048 into 1152. So we have got this composition over here, and we have also created a composition. We have also edited the settings by right clicking here on composition settings. So the shortcut for that is Control K. K stands for kangaroo. Over here you'll be able to change the FPS as well as the resolution, as well as the color, as well as the duration. Suppose if you have made a composition which is 10 seconds, now later on you wish to make it to 15 seconds, so just do Control K as I just did and duration as 15. Right now if you see over here the cursor which is 10 seconds, it will be increased to 15 seconds now. So right now if you see 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. So this is basically the work area bar over here. This is the timeline where we work. So if I go to Windows, this is the timeline over here. So it's already opened over here, and these are the areas where all your layers, footages, compositions, assets would be appearing, and this is the timeline to view. This was all about the composition creation as well as changing the composition settings. Thank you.